To find square root of 256 by division method. Okay, first make a pair from right side to left hand side, that is from ones column to higher column. So this is your first pair, then this is your second pair. In second pair you have just only one digit, you can consider here a 0, that doesn't have any value, so 2. Now you have to select a number whose square will be equal to 2 or less than or nearest to 2. So if you take here 2, then 2 square will be 4, which is greater than 2. So take here 1 square equal to 1, which is near to 2. So 1 is correct. This, since you have taken here 1, this one must come to the quotient also. 1 times 1, 1. Subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down the next pair. Now you have written 1 in the quotient, so 1 must come under the divisor and you need to add 1 plus 1, 2. Now you have to put here a number, thus this number must come to here, and you need to multiply also this number by the number you have taken. So look, if you take here 6, then what will happen? 6 times 6, 36. Bring down 6, carry 3 to the next column. 6 times 2, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 156, which is equal to 156. So if you take here 6, this 6 must come here. 6 times, look, 6 times 26, 6 times 26, that gives you 156. Subtract, you are getting 0. To check, look, you have taken here the digit 6, 6 must come under the divisor. So now add 6 plus 6, 12. Okay, write 2, carry 1, 6, 1 plus 2, 3. So look, this number is double of this number, so we can say that this is the right answer. So the square root of 256 is 16.